Cruise lines made $47 billion last year, and here's what really gets me. They're banking on seniors over 65 never discovering the freebies they're entitled to. You walk into your cabin thinking you know what's included in your cruise fare. You're completely wrong. After analyzing 200-plus senior cruise complaints and speaking with 8 retired cruise directors, I discovered cruise lines are deliberately keeping quiet about perks that could save you hundreds. A 68-year-old from Tampa paid $89 for internet when she could have gotten it free. A 72-year-old from Phoenix spent $200 on specialty dining when the cruise line would have comped it. She just needed to ask. I'm revealing the 12 freebies seniors can still get in 2026 that cruise lines hope you never discover. And trust me, number 3 is the one that saves more seniors money than all the others combined. Number 12. Free specialty restaurant breakfast. Here's what cruise lines won't advertise. Most specialty restaurants serve complimentary breakfast that's 10 times better than the buffet chaos. Listen, while everyone's fighting for soggy eggs upstairs, you could be enjoying made-to-order omelets in peace. A 69-year-old from Seattle discovered this accidentally when she got lost looking for the main dining room. The steakhouse hostess seated her immediately and served a full breakfast. No charge. She ate there every morning for 7 days and never paid a dime. Why? Because specialty restaurants need to justify their staff during slow breakfast hours. They're banking on you not knowing this exists, so you'll pay $45 for their dinner service later. Here's what you do. Walk into any specialty restaurant before 10 a.m. Ask politely, do you serve complimentary breakfast? If they say no, try the next one. Policies vary by ship. Rule of thumb. The fancier the restaurant, the better the free breakfast. Number 11. Complimentary CPAP distilled water. Here's what they're hiding from CPAP users. Most cruise lines provide unlimited distilled water free, but only if you ask before boarding. A 71-year-old from Denver packed 12 bottles of distilled water using half his luggage space. His cabin steward laughed and brought him a gallon jug from housekeeping. Sir, we have cases of this. You just need to request it. The reason? Cruise lines know CPAP users are loyal customers who book repeatedly. They'd rather give you free water than risk you choosing a competitor. Here's your action plan. Call the cruise line 30 days before sailing. Say this exact phrase. I use a CPAP and need distilled water provided. Request it again at guest services on embarkation day. Insider move. Ask for 2 gallons. They'll usually comply and you'll have backup. Number 10. Free room service continental breakfast. Here's the truth they don't want you to know. Continental breakfast room service is free on every major cruise line, but they bury this information deeper than buried treasure. A 66-year-old from Miami spent her entire cruise eating rushed buffet breakfasts until day 6 when her cabin steward mentioned the breakfast card. Ma'am, you could have been having coffee on your balcony this whole time. Why don't they advertise this? Because room service breakfast keeps you in your cabin longer, meaning you spend less money in their shops and bars during prime morning hours. Here's what you do. Fill out the breakfast card hanging in your closet. Hang it outside your door by midnight. Enjoy coffee, pastries, and fruit delivered free. Pro tip, order extra coffee. They'll bring a full pot and you can save the rest for later. Think that's generous? Wait until you see what they're doing with medical accommodations. Number 9. Free accessibility equipment. Here's what cruise lines desperately hope you never discover. They have warehouses full of accessibility equipment they'll provide free. Shower chairs, bath stools, bed risers, handheld shower sprays. But only if you know how to ask. A 74-year-old from Phoenix with mobility issues struggled through 7 days of dangerous shower situations. On her next cruise, she requested a shower chair and bath stool. The difference was life-changing. I actually enjoyed my showers instead of fearing them. The kicker? Cruise lines are legally required to provide reasonable accommodations, but they're not required to advertise what's available. Here's your action plan. Call the accessibility department 60 days before sailing. Request specific items. I need a shower chair and handheld shower spray. Follow up at guest services on embarkation day. The magic phrase, I need reasonable accommodation under the ADA. Number 8. Complimentary casino gaming lessons. Here's what the casino doesn't tell you. They offer free gaming lessons during C days, and they'll often throw in free play credits just for attending. A 67-year-old from Chicago was intimidated by the casino until she attended a free blackjack lesson. Not only did she learn the game, but they gave her $25 in free play. She won $180 that night using their own money. Why offer this free? Because confident players spend more money. They're banking on you becoming a regular customer after learning the games. Here's what you do. Check the daily schedule for gaming lessons. Attend during C days when casinos are closed in port. Ask about free play credits for lesson participants. Rule of thumb, the more you learn, the more free credits they'll offer. Number 7. Free behind-the-scenes tours. Here's where most seniors get completely blindsided. If you're a past guest, even just one cruise, you're entitled to exclusive behind-the-scenes tours that other passengers pay $50 plus for. A 70-year-old from Denver mentioned to guest services that this was her second cruise. They immediately offered her a free galley tour and bridge visit. I saw areas of the ship that cost other people real money to access. The reason? Repeat customers are worth 10 times more than first-time cruisers. They'll give you premium experiences to ensure you book again. Here's your action plan. Mention your loyalty status at guest services. Ask specifically, what exclusive tours are available for past guests? Book immediately. These fill up fast. Insider move. Even if you're not technically loyal tier, mention you're considering booking your next cruise. They'll often extend the same perks. But this is nothing compared to what's coming next. Number 6. Free specialty. Dining for celebrations. Here's what really made my blood boil. Cruise lines will comp entire specialty dining experiences for birthdays, anniversaries, or honeymoons, but only if you mention it at the right time and to the right person. A 73-year-old from Portland celebrated her 50th anniversary on a cruise. She mentioned it casually to her cabin steward, who arranged a free dinner at the ship's most expensive restaurant, complete with champagne and cake. Value: $200. Why don't they advertise this? Because they'd rather you pay full price and discover the freebie policy by accident, if at all. Here's what you do. Mention your celebration when booking your cruise. Remind guest services on embarkation day. Ask your cabin steward to help make this celebration special. The magic phrase, we're celebrating our anniversary birthday and would love to make it memorable. Number 5. Complimentary laundry for extended cruises. Here's the secret they're keeping from long cruise passengers. On cruises 10+ days, most lines will provide free laundry service for seniors, but you have to request it as a comfort accommodation. A 69-year-old from San Diego was dreading doing laundry on her 14-day cruise. Guest services arranged free wash and fold service for her entire trip. They picked up my laundry and returned it folded better than I could do myself. The truth? Extended cruise passengers spend more money on board. They'd rather comp your laundry than risk you being uncomfortable and not booking future long cruises. Here's your action plan. On cruises 10+ days, visit guest services day 1. Say, I'd like to request laundry assistance as a comfort accommodation. Emphasize your age and the length of the cruise. Pro tip, frame it as a mobility or convenience issue. They're more likely to approve. All right, I need to pause here for a second, because what I'm about to tell you next could save you more money than everything else combined. But first, quick favor. If you're finding this valuable, hit that like button right now. It helps other seniors discover these secrets. And subscribe so you never miss my insider cruise hacks. Okay, here's that game-changing freebie. Number 4. Free internet for medical needs. Here's what cruise lines are hiding from seniors with medical needs. They'll provide complimentary internet access if you need it for health monitoring, medication reminders, or family communication, but they never advertise this policy. A 71-year-old from Miami needed to check her blood sugar app and communicate with her doctor daily. When she explained this to guest services, they gave her unlimited internet for the entire cruise. She saved $89. Why keep this quiet? Because internet packages are huge profit centers. They're hoping you'll pay full price without knowing about medical exemptions. Here's what you do. Explain your medical need to guest services. Mention specific apps or doctor communication requirements. Ask for medical necessity internet access. The magic phrase, I need internet access for medical monitoring and family emergency contact. Number 3. Complimentary room. Upgrades for medical reasons. Here's where it gets really interesting. Cruise lines will upgrade your cabin for free if you have any medical condition that makes your current cabin unsuitable, and medical condition is interpreted very broadly. A 68-year-old from Phoenix booked an interior cabin but mentioned her claustrophobia to guest services. They moved her to a balcony cabin worth $400 more. Another 72-year-old with mild mobility issues got upgraded to a suite because it was closer to elevators. The confusion is the strategy. They don't want you to know that medical upgrades are available because they'd rather sell you the upgrade. Here's your action plan. Mention any medical condition that affects your comfort. Ask specifically, are there cabin accommodations available for my condition? Be persistent. Policies vary by ship and staff knowledge. Insider move. Mention that your doctor recommended cruise travel for your condition. This strengthens your case. Number 2. Free prescription medication storage. Here's what made my blood boil. Seniors are paying for mini fridge rentals to store medications when cruise lines will provide free medical refrigeration, but only if you know the magic words. A 75-year-old from Denver paid $50 to rent a mini fridge for her insulin. On her next cruise, she requested medical refrigeration accommodation. They provided a dedicated medical fridge in her cabin at no charge. Why? Because medication storage is considered a medical necessity, not a convenience, but they're banking on you not knowing the difference. Here's what you do. Call before your cruise and request medical refrigeration. Bring a doctor's note listing medications requiring refrigeration. Use the phrase medical necessity, not convenience. The magic phrase, I require medical refrigeration for prescription medications. Number 1. Complimentary priority. Boarding for seniors. Here's the biggest secret cruise lines don't want you to discover. Most lines offer priority boarding for passengers over 65, but they never advertise it because they'd rather sell you priority packages. A 70-year-old from Chicago spent 3 hours in boarding lines until a crew member mentioned senior priority boarding was available. On her next cruise, she walked straight to the front of the line. I felt like a VIP without paying VIP prices. The kicker? This policy exists on most major cruise lines, but staff aren't trained to mention it proactively. They're hoping you'll buy priority boarding packages instead. Here's your action plan. At check-in, ask, do you offer priority boarding for seniors? If they say no, ask to speak with a supervisor. Mention any mobility concerns to strengthen your case. Rule of thumb, the more confident you sound asking, the more likely they'll accommodate. Now, knowing these cruise freebies won't matter if you're making dangerous packing mistakes that could get you denied boarding. A 67-year-old from Miami packed her daily medications in checked luggage and nearly missed her cruise when the bag was delayed. She had no access to her heart medication for 18 hours. Most seniors don't realize that new 2026 packing rules could leave them stranded at the pier, and it's costing them their entire vacation. In my next video, I'm exposing the 11 packing mistakes that get seniors denied boarding in 2026. So, don't forget to check out the next video. It's right here. And as always, don't let packing mistakes cost you your dream vacation. See you there!